your own private apartment over the pool in Udonthani with a gym. You've got a kitchenette with a microwave, a toaster and a fridge, electric kettle and a rice cooker. Smart TV with YouTube and Netflix and all the usual stuff on that. In here you've got a shower, toilet, wash-in basin. It's got a fan as well, which is quite good. And then it's got the electric shower. Then here you've got, like I say, you can sit outside on the balcony overlooking the pool. It's got a double bedroom. You've got tea, coffee, supply like that as well, water, soap, and bedroom, separate bedroom, air conditioner I think on the corner, and a separate TV. And directly opposite the apartment, it's a nice gym, but quite modern inside, and modern equipment as well. 2 pools and a 7-Eleven vending machine, so you can buy soft drinks over there. But this place is great for food. Downstairs is Beyond Cafe, and you've got Me Kid noodles, and what else you got? Oh, you got a lot of noodle bars and places to buy noodles round the Non-Pajak Park, which is only about 200 metres away. So it's very, very good. Private parking downstairs as well. So this apartment you can rent for weekly, or at a minimum, I think it's 4 days. 4 days is the minimum to rent this one. I'll put a link down below when I get back home, and it's about 499 baht a day, so which is really, really good, and brilliant central position, so you'll enjoy it down here. Okay, I'll put more details in the description.